Hi guys, this is the Paragems Decoder. Welcome back to the channel, and here we are gonna see the set in Python. As we have discussed previously the basics of Python, and this is the next lecture in the basics of Python series. I hope I will complete all the remaining lectures in all the Python basics soon. So let's start the set in Python. What is set? It is the group of unique values as a single entity. And what are the uh, duplicates are not allowed in the set. So this is the very specific quality of the sets. In the sets, duplicates values are not allowed. Then indexing and slicing is not allowed. Also the heterogeneous elements are allowed, so the multiple different elements we can put into the set. And this is the mutable, and syntax is the curly parenthesis. The values are separated with the comma. This is the very, as we know previously, this is the very confusing thing in between the set and dictionary, because the syntax is pretty similar, because these the curly brackets we also used in the dictionary, but in the dictionary we have the syntax like key, colon and values. In dictionary, suppose s is equal to this syntax we have given here. In this syntax what will happen, this will get created the empty dictionary. If we will print the s, then we will get the empty dictionary. Let's see, after creation of this what will happen. Let's run this cell. So we got here class dict. Okay, means the dictionary. After printing the type of s, which is we have created here, we get this class dict. And when we print s, we got this empty dictionary. So please don't confuse with this. The set, though the set is having the similar syntax, but the dictionary and set are different. So let's create here the another set. S is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40 are the columns. Let's print this S. What will happen? Let's run this code. Okay, so what is happening here? We are getting 40, 10 and 20, 30. When we will print the type of this S, we will get the class set. Okay, I hope you will not confused in future now. So we can create set objects by using this set function. Okay, set parenthesis function. Okay, so syntax is s is equal to set any sequence. Okay, so here we can see the list is equal to, in empty bracket, in square bracket, 30, 50, 70, 90, the elements we have given. And if we will provide this lst into the set, into our set function, so this list will get converted into the set. Okay, and suppose here we will put some repeated elements. Suppose 80, 80, we have put here 83 times. If we will convert this list into set, then these repeated numbers are not gonna present into the list, because as we know the list in the set, the repetition is not allowed. So let's run this cell and we will see what is happening. See, we got 30, 50, 70, 80, 90. So we did not got these repeated elements, only single 80 we got into the set. Okay, and what will be the type of this set? See, set. So we will see now the different methods which we can apply on this set, and we can change the values inside the set. As we know, this is not this is the mutable, sets are mutable, so we can apply the different method to change the elements. So we can, by the applying the add function, what we will get, we will add the atom into the set. So let's see, d dot add 4000. Okay, let's run this cell. What will change, we get into the set, the 4000 it got added. Okay, in this way. Let's update. We can use add function, which this add function to add an individual item to the set, where as we can use the update function to add multiple items to the set. Add function can take only one argument. Okay, this is the difference in the add and the update function. Okay, for the set, add can only take one argument and update can take multiple arguments. With the add, we can only add the one element into the D, but with the update we can insert the multiple element into the D. So 0, 20, 40, 60, 80. With this syntax we got these values. Okay, so we are gonna add these multiple values into our set with this syntax. See, okay, so we will get the idea how the update function works into the getting the multiple elements inside. See, in our previous D there were the elements up to the C. In our set the elements was 30, 50, 70, 80, 90, 4000. Now here the older elements get updated with this newer element, and also the some extra elements get added from this multiple range. Okay, and this new set we got. Okay, in this way set and update works. Okay, we will see next pop method. In pop parenthesis we can see the syntax pop and parenthesis. In this pop method it removes and returns some random element from the set. Okay, random elements, this is the important thing. So suppose we apply here the pop, what will happen? Just see, d dot pop we have given here, and after running this cell d dot pop, so pop last element. Okay, so here the 4000 was the last element in our set, so it is popping the 4000, and let's see what is remain inside the D now in our set. So 0 to 90 elements are remain inside our set, and the one element is pop. It is similarly working the how it is working in the lists. Okay, the pop function. Now remove method, it removes the specified element from the set, means we have to mention that element which we have to remove. If the specified element not present in the set, then we will get the key error. Okay, let's see, we have to remove 40 here. D dot remove, what will happen after running the code? Just run and we will check. See, after running this d dot remove 40 and checking our D, the 40 is not present here. See, in 30 and 50 40 is absent, so it is successfully removed the element. Now we will check how it is throwing the error. Suppose we again try to remove another element. See here, let me show. See here, d dot remove 40 from this set. Now we will remove here 500, but the 500 is not in the set. What will happen? This will throw error. Okay, in this way we have to mention the whatever the element we have to remove, we have to mention that into the remove function. Now discard, what is the discard, how it works? Let's see, discard, it removes the specified element from the set. Okay, and if a specified element not present in the set, then we will not get any error. Okay, see how. Suppose we have our D which is set, and these are the elements we are having into the set. So d dot discard we will do here, d dot discard. What will happen? D dot discard 10, here is no 10 present, so I think this will not throw error. First we will check with the value 20, because in our set we have the value 20, so d dot discard will give us set without value 20. See, the 20 is discarded. Now again we will change this value to some another value. See here, discard suppose 2000, 2022 suppose, and 2022 is not present in the set. So let's see, this is not throwing error. So this is the difference between the discard and remove. Okay, remove if the value is not present, it is throwing error. But in discard, if the value is not present, it is not throwing error. But the both for the present value, they are working in a similar manner. Let's say next copy function. Return copy of the set and it is cloned object. Okay. Suppose we have taken here s is equal to 10, 20, 30, new set we have created here, and s1 is equal to s dot copy. We have applied. Okay. S1 we new variable created here. Here was the s. Here was the s is equal to set. S1 we create the new variable. S dot copy we have applied, and let's see what is the changes in the S1 will be there. So this will get the copied from the S. See, we get 10 to 20, 10, 20, 30. Okay, the similar copy of this S. Right. Now we will see the clear function. Clear function is to remove all elements from the set. Suppose in our this new set, as we have values, let's see what are the values are there. See, in S we have the values 10, 20, 30. Okay, and S dot clear, what we will get now? After this clear, we will clear the set, and set is now empty. See, okay. Now we will see the mathematical operators. How the mathematical operators works on the set. There are some mathematical operators like the union, intersection, difference. Okay, so we will see here we have created the variable x. See, x is equal to set 10, 20, 30, 40, and y is equal to set 40, 50, 60, 70. Okay, so 10 to 40, 40 is repeated in y also. So what will happen? See, union, we get the all the elements from the x and y with union 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Okay, in intersection, what will happen? This is the very basic mathematics we know from our schooling days. See, we will get the intersection here. X is equal to 10 to 40 element, y is equal to 40 to 70 elements, and x dot intersection of y we have provided here. What will happen? We will get the common value in between them. Let's run. So we get here 40, which is common in between x and y with the help of intersection. Okay, and again difference. So suppose we run this line of the difference, we will get the difference. See, 10, 20, 30 from x and y. As we know, oh, don't get confused here. See, what is the values now inside the x? This is the 10, 20, 30, 40, and inside y 40, 50, 60, 70, and the difference is 10, 20, 30 with the x dot difference y. Okay, so in this way these functions works, and we have completed this set here. In next session we will discuss some more interesting Python related things, and also I'm going to cover the conditionals like the if else, and loops like the for loops and while loops, and the oops functionality in the Python, where I will try to explain the object-oriented programming for you, how the object-oriented programming works. So I hope I will arrange the next lecture as soon as early as possible, and yeah, till then, bye bye, and thank you for the watching. Keep watching, keep learning. Yeah, goodbye.